Would you like to learn how to make your very own Among Us paper bag puppet? Just like my friends. It's easy, it's fun, and then afterwards, you can have your very own puppet show. And it's so much fun because you can bring them to life.
What are you talking about bringing to life? Yeah, I'm already. I'm the new guy. No, I'm the new guy. I want a meeting. Let's have an emergency meeting. I see the imposter. He's over there. No, he's right here behind me. It's Mr. Smith.
I'm not the imposter. I'm really Mr. Smith. I am. I'm not the imposter.
Meeting.
Just watch. Let's have some fun. And keep on watching because we're going to have a puppet show at the very end, okay? Because I got a whole bunch of them. And we're going to have some fun. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell, share it with a friend, and come back again. Okay, the first thing that we're going to need to do is to draw the Among Us character. The Among Us character looks like a giant popsicle with 2 legs at the bottom. Next, we're going to cut this shape out. Then we're going to use this shape as a model for all of our other characters. I got a bunch of paper that I put together so I can cut them all at 1 or 2 times. Now I'm going to bend them down just enough so I have the head and the bottom body for the puppets. The head will go on the flat part of the bag and the rest will go just beneath that. Right now I'm taking this blue paper and I'm measuring to create his visor. The visor looks like a big blue pillow. It's really a big oval that's a little squarer on one side. On the sides of the visor we have a darker color which helps to create that 3-dimensional effect. I just added his backpack and the white reflection which all the Among Us characters have. And now he can talk. Hey, how you doing? Alright, let's knock out some of the rest of them. We're going to put the head, the body on, the visor, side of the visor, white reflection, and backpack. It's just like mass production. Doesn't take that long to do. Okay, I got orange, yellow, knocking out purple. Got blue, knocking out red. Oh boy, we all got them all almost done. Here comes black. I think black is the last one. Here's the whole family. Don't they look wonderful? Now stay tuned for my puppet show.
The pasta. Oh.
No. No. Oh, where is he? I know he's somewhere. He's gonna come get me. He's gonna get me. Where is he? Really, Blue. So Blue. I wish somebody could have found out and defeated the imposter. I do. Well, I don't know what happened, but he came. He's not me. He's not yellow. He's not blue. He got every single one of us. It's a shame. Somebody needs to get him. Get him bad. Okay? You hear me? Get him bad. Get him bad. Well, I think I was the first one he got, and I'm still mad. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Outtakes.